many relationships of nowadays, people are pretending to each other. You know that a person can pretend to you that he loves you or she loves you because she knows that she wants to benefit or money or to sleep with you. So nowadays, guys, there is no real relationship. You can't guess that person loves you or that person is pretending nowadays. If you don't love that person, it's better to release her than to wasting her time. Even you are not free because you are in a relationship with a person you don't love. So sometimes you are not happy as you. Maybe that person is better because he does not know that you are not in love with him, and you are afraid that when you tell that person that we have to separate or what, because maybe you are already sleep with that person, that woman is going to be hurt. But it's better because you tell her the truth that we have to separate, our relationship doesn't work, your heart is not belongs to that person, you know that. So sometimes it's better because you are releasing and yourself, you are releasing yourself, you are now free. You know that you are not free because you are dating a person you don't love. You are not happy as you sometimes because you are afraid to hate that person. So sometimes don't do it that maybe you don't want to hate her. When you say we have to separate, our relationship doesn't work, it's better you can have got a heartbreak, but heartbreak will pass than to being in a relationship. Maybe it's for 5 years, 6 years. Maybe that person can call you, you can take time to answer that call because you don't want to talk to him. So it's better, guys, to move on with your life, to release that person, to find another partner at time. Especially maybe that person you don't want to release, that person rejects other people for you, rejects other men for you, rejects other women for you. So you don't know. So sometimes, guys, we don't understand what's going on nowadays because people, we are pretending to each other nowadays. Relationship of nowadays, we are pretending to each other. You are pretending like you love CA because you know that you want to benefit with money, we want to benefit to sleep with her, or women, we want to benefit with money to men, but you know that you don't love that person. So it's not good sometimes, guys, it's not good. So sometimes, guys, when you saw that you are not free with that person, even that person calling you, maybe you can get irritated, you don't want to talk to that person, you can answer that what can I do, but you don't want to answer her calls, you don't want to answer his calls sometimes. Because, guys, you have to release yourself and to release that person. All of you can be free now, you can date people you love than to pretending. Guys, nowadays we are pretending. Even all of you don't love each other, you are pretending. This one is pretending, this one is pretending. It doesn't work.